Hey fam, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and as you can tell by the title, it is a shopping haul. Not just any shopping haul, you guys. This is a Dollar Tree haul, and it is my wedding edition. First of all, let me say this. I want to thank all of you guys that have reached out to me via inbox, Instagram message, even your comments that you leave on my on the YouTube videos. I just want to thank you all so much for your kind words, for your congrats as far as my upcoming wedding, and just the inquiries of different things as far as event planning, what are my plans, and all those good things from for my upcoming wedding. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really appreciate this love and support. And it means a lot to me to know that you guys are actually watching and you're paying attention and you're listening to what I'm saying. So just based on your comments alone, I know that you guys are really intuitive into what I'm saying. So that makes a difference. That lets me know that my content is being appreciated and that you guys enjoy what I'm bringing. So without any further ado, let me just get right on into this haul. I have been an event planner for the last, I'll say seriously, like the last 5 years. I just kind of started dabbling in it a little bit here and there. I've done it all of my life on some level, like in church, doing, you know, pastors' anniversaries or church anniversaries and women's banquets, whatever we would have, I would always volunteer to do that because I love doing it. Didn't think about getting into it full time until about 5 years ago. Didn't even know how to charge for it. And so a lady inquired, and it just kind of grew my business, just word of mouth from there. So with moving back and forth from Arkansas to Texas, kind of fell off a little bit. And so one of the things I did this year, I hosted a vision board party. And if you're not familiar with the vision board, it's where you take a board and you create a visual guide or visual goal for yourself for your upcoming year. And one of the things that I put on my vision board was that I wanted TMB Designs, my event planning business, to increase. And I said, God, if I could just do one event per month to just kind of get me started, I would appreciate it. And when I tell you every prayer that I had on my vision board has been answered or is in the process of being answered, it's amazing how God works and how he heeds to our word. And so I applied the word. I applied Habakkuk 2 and 2 to the vision board, and it is happening just like that. I have an event booked for every month for the rest of the year. So I am so excited, and with that, that means plenty of DIYs for you guys, more videos, more content for you guys, and my own wedding being one of those. So I'm so excited about that. But without any more babbling about that, let me get into this DIY or this haul. Now, I will say this is a Dollar Tree haul, but I will give you this disclaimer. For me, not all products are created equal as it relates to the Dollar Tree. Because you can walk in Dollar Tree and get totally overwhelmed. I know the first time I ever went in, it was just like a moment, and I just was buying stuff. But after a while, when you begin to budget and you think cost, and you're not just spending your money, you're spending other people's money, you have to kind of hone it in and ask yourself, you know, concrete questions. Is it in the budget? Is it functional? Is it going to be visually pleasing? And sometimes you have to weigh it out. Is it more profitable to do a DIY? Or is it more beneficial to purchase the item pre-done? Because sometimes if time is not on your side, DIYs may not be the best option for you because it takes time to do that. But if you have the time and you have the creative skill set to do it, then by all means, DIY to your heart's content. So I am a DIYer, but only when absolutely necessary, only if it's going to save me or save my customers a dollar and give them the biggest bang for their buck. Because I am a frugally fabulous designer. I love to do it big, but I want to do big on a budget. So that's always my motto. So with that being said, let me get right into it. I'm going to go first with the florals. Now, when it comes to florals, some brides or some clients may want to do natural flowers, and if that's the case, if they have the budget for it, then by all means, then go natural. I do natural floral designs as well, but when it comes to the silk ones, I am kind of particular about what I choose, and so I really have to, you know, look at the flowers and make sure that they look as natural as possible to me. That's just my thing. Like, I don't do all colors, faux flowers. I just do what I know would look natural. Some colors I do, the pinks, the reds, but if it's a color that's not naturally in a real flower, natural flower, I tend to shy away from it, only if that flower would actually be that color in real life. You know what I'm saying? But that's the only way I would do faux flowers. They have to look as natural as possible for me. And so with these, you guys, I am going with, I think I've hauled a couple of these before. Hope it's not a bad glare on the thing, but I love the realness that I get with the roses that Dollar Tree has, and also with the lilies. There's others that I buy, but for this particular, I've got several events and they're wanting to go white flowers, mine being included. So I have been stocking up on these every time I go into the Dollar Tree. If they have any on hand, I purchase them. So let me also say this. Dollar Tree has an online site, so you can order items in bulk. But with the flowers, you might not necessarily get the colors that you want. Now, if you want to do assorted colors, then go right ahead. But if you're looking for a particular color, you won't be able to order them online. Like, say you want like just 100 white stems, or 100 pink stems, or 100 yellow stems, roses. But that you can't do that. You have to get it assorted. So for me, it's more feasible just to hit up all of my favorite Dollar Trees and just stock up on whatever color or whatever flower I'm needing at that time. So with that, I have been stocking up. I think I have about 100 of each right now, so I may be okay with that. Then I got to stock up on my peach because I have a peach colored event coming up. So keeping in the floral department, I like to get this. It is a floral foam board. I like to buy them. It is a 2.5 by 2.9 inches foam board, rectangle shape. And I have a DIY. Matter of fact, this is going to be the first DIY that I do for you guys with this and some ribbon and all that good stuff. So I will do that first, but I love to stock up on these. Now I do buy these by the cases because you can do so much with them as opposed to just using them singly. You can layer them up, build them up, and create beautiful pieces for events. So I stocked up on these, and then we'll go to candles and lighting and all that type of stuff. They have these beautiful variated height. They're candlesticks. But I am going to do a DIY and layer them up. And I'll show you what I'm going to layer them up with. Now this, I have the taller, and then I have the medium height. I didn't get any of the shorter ones because of the design that I'm going with. But I love that Dollar Tree has a unlimited supply of the candle holder. This is the 3.5, the 3 by 6 inch. It's a candle holder. I've even used these as water goblets for certain events. But for these particular, the next particular event I've got coming up is going to be used as a candle holder. So I'll do some DIYs with these, but some of them I'm going to leave just plain and just layer them up with the E6000 and just build, you know, with their color scheme like that. So that's another DIY. They also have, in addition to the 3.5, they have unlimited supply of the 7-inch clear cylinder vases. So I love these, and every once in a while you can catch the 9-inch one, so it gives you a little bit more height so it can create more dimensions. So you see here, this is the 9, and then this is the 7. They'll have the 7 all the time, but they don't always have the 9. And so what I've done is whenever I see them, I always buy several cases of them at a time, because these are items that I know I can do a lot with, and I will show you different DIYs to style with on these particular ones. So in terms of quantity, I know I at least have about 5 cases of this, the 9 inches, and if not 10 cases of the other, because I do various things with them. I've lined up an aisleway. I'm sorry, my camera died. But I've lined up an aisle to create a runner with the cylinders with floating candles, and it was absolutely beautiful. So I needed a large quantity of the variated heights, and so I was able to do that through the Dollar Tree, you guys. So those are cases that you need to buy in bulk. If you're an event planner, if you have an event coming up, those are the things that you want to definitely get in volume, because at other stores they could be $3, $4, even $5 for the same height. You can't beat it at the Dollar Tree. So I absolutely love those. And keeping with the candles, now I have plenty of the little small votives, and I think you guys may have seen those in there, the little pre-lit, because a lot of venues now would not allow candles, so the flameless candles are like the way to go. So this size, I love how it's pre-lit, and they even have the little batteries to go in the Dollar Tree, so if they go out, you have enough. So I'm gonna, you know, of course, dazzle them up. They won't stay the same, but I absolutely love those. I stocked up on those. And also in the candle department, these are called candle holders. They're little mirrored squares. I have them in the round shape. I have them in the diamond shape, the round, diamond, and the octagon is what I'm trying to say. I have at least 100 of each, because you can do so many things again with them. Layering, creating mirrored table runners, using them to place your drinking goblets on. You can put candles on them. You can, there's a various amount of things you can do with these. So I absolutely love these, and I always stock up on them. So I have these in my event planning arsenal. And I'm not sure, but I believe I may have hauled these in another video. But these are the diamond wrap ribbon, and I got them in the turquoise. They come in several other colors, but I opted to get them in the turquoise. And then, you guys, I saw these and I absolutely had to have them. They have the diamond wrap adhesive sheets, and I picked up several, and all that they had in the gold, and I picked up all that they had in the silver. So I will definitely be doing some DIYs with these for you guys. Absolutely amazing. It already has adhesive on there, so it takes the glue work out of it for you. I will show you how easy it is to use these, because believe it or not, I've already started some of my DIYs, but I wanted to pull back and do this video and upload it before I start doing my DIY videos. So and then actually this is something that I've already, you get these from the Dollar Tree, the little servers, but I use them a lot for my candy displays, for them to, you know, go in and take their candies out or what have you, or even they have like a salad or something. But I have already DIY'd these using the ribbon, the adhesive. So that just shows you how you can just take them and just dress them up. So that was for that. And then we're going to go into the dyeing part of it. Now these are napkin rings. I buy these, you guys, by the cases, because I do so many different events and you can style them so many ways. So for my I have an upcoming event. One of them is going to get a set of 100. Will get the rhinestone. They'll get the diamond wrap in the silver, and then one set is going to get the diamond wrap in the blue, as well as some napkin, some chair sash holders. So I absolutely always stock up on those. You get 6 in a pack for $1. So if you just want it for your home, 6 for $1, you can't beat it, and you can just glam it up however you want. Okay, and as far as dinnerware, you guys, I like to go with the classic white plate. Nothing is more classic than a clean white dish as far as your table setting. So I got several cases of these for head tables, sweetheart tables, just you name it. And then you guys, I may have hauled these a while ago, but just for the sake of the wedding haul, I wanted to incorporate them into this haul. These are some plate chargers, and look at the quality of these charger plates at the Dollar Tree. Now they have them, this is the antique gold. They have them also in a soft gold, they have them in a silver, and they now have them in a white. So for $1, you cannot beat it. Even if you want to do a custom color, for $1 you can purchase them and paint them whatever color you desire, because it's only $1. So then, keeping with the drinkware, you guys, I picked up the 13-ounce, I'm going to use them as water goblets. I picked up a couple of cases of these. And then for the wine goblets, I picked up the 20-ounce goblets. So can you see that paired together? This is your wine, this is your water, just to create a nice ambiance, you know, at your head table. If you have a small or more intimate setting, you can actually do every table with actual dinnerware. But that is it, you guys, for this haul, because your girl has to get on these DIYs. I have so many to do. As I said, I have an event for every month. So the one I have coming up in fact, next weekend is going to be the I'm going to do the DIY. That'll be the next video that you guys see with the bling wrap and stuff. So I'm excited to bring that to you guys. But you know what I'm going to say. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if any of this was helpful to you, because that helps me to know if what I'm doing is beneficial or not. But if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. I'm on other social media sites, TMB Designs too, on Facebook as well as Instagram. I would always enjoy interacting with you guys. Most of you have me interact with me on my Facebook page, which is cool. I don't care how you interact with me. Just holla at your girl. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. And so until the next video, you stay blessed and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.